Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to add a voiceover on TikTok. TikTok allows you to add voiceovers to your videos, which is useful for narration, commentary, or creative effects. To get started, open the TikTok app. Tap the plus icon to create a new video. Select a video from your gallery or record a new one directly in the app. For this example, I'm selecting a video from the gallery. Next, tap the microphone icon. Press the record button to start adding your voiceover. You can pause and resume recording as needed to match the timing of your video. Once the voiceover is recorded, adjust the volume and balance it with the original audio or background music. When you see you're satisfied, tap Save. Tap Next to post your video with the new voiceover added. That's it. You've learned how to record and add a voiceover to TikTok videos using the built-in editing tools. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other DelfStack tutorial videos.